Hi, I'm a royal. I'm a royal eye now. Grace.
There's no one in your contacts matching Grace.
Layla.
Saying.
Alright, I'm gonna go shopping, stay there. Hi, I'm gonna go shopping now. Right. In where? Alright. I think this is it. I don't know. I don't know if this is the shop I was going to. No, not that. I'm gonna like that. Is there any more clothes? No. And then that was live. Right. Gonna do my magical powers, take me there. Then I'm gonna go to another shop next to it. Okay guys, sorry my sisters are, because I got in a fight then. I don't know if you're too sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go all the way down. This is it. This shop Kaylee's Anna's home store. Alright, no, don't like any other. Girls, you need some clothes on. What the heck is that? Only 3 Robux. What about that? If it was 2 Robux, I could buy it, but I'm so poor. I'm so lonely. I got nobody. I am so lonely. I got nobody on my own. I got nobody. Right, I'm gonna buy that, so let's put that in my bag. Can't really see my bag, but I'm gonna buy that. I'm gonna put my heels with it, and then you won't see that. I'm gonna ask if I have a white one with that, but a white t-shirt one. These are all my school shopping. Right. That's my car right there. No. And alright, I'm just gonna go in Kaylee's. Royal High. Why? I'll get that one. No? What's that one? I'll get that. That's gonna be for prom. See that if I like it, but put it in my bag. Okay, I think one in there, one in there, one in there, one in there. I'm gonna go back over here. I think these are all the mums. Yep, mums. Mum. Oh, I just want that side. I want to see what's in here. Right. I'm gonna get all these dresses. That one, put in my bag. Didn't get actually all of them though. That one and that one. Okay, I'm gonna go back now. I'm just gonna pay. I think the paying area is in here. Yes, I want this. Thank you, bye. Wait, yes, I want that. Yes, I want that. Right. Gonna go home. The heck? Alright, I'm just gonna go back now. David! Wait, I always have to go on this rock and then it work. Okay? No. Let's see what that was when I wrote down in the box. Right, I'm back. Lexi. Alright guys. I'm gonna go fit. Then I'm gonna get turned into my... I don't know very well, I might have not tried them because I might have been down. So I don't like them. Okay. Top here too tight. Oh my god, it's a dance already. Jaden. Hey. Ow. Stay there. Stay. Come back with the love. No. Yes. Molly is so cute. Just wanna be happy as we do. With friends and mate, someone's got Missy. Mate, someone's got Missy. Right, I'm gonna get into my thing. Oh, I already got into my uniform. I changed it. No, just okay. Right, let's see where my form dress is. What I like. Here, yeah.
You think you will?
Yeah. Right, I'm trying to find it, but it... Oh, there it is, I think. I went to the extra shop and got that. Oh no, this is it. Yes, that one was it. Okay. To get that. Maze. Dad's out of the hospital. Do you know that? They were it, yeah. And that, no. Yes. Beautiful full face maker. I'm gonna be with pink makeup. I haven't seen all the makeups yet. I do like that one. I just. And yes, this is what I really look like with my makeup. Wait, there it is. I really like that one of them. I got and then let's see what else I can get. I'm gonna dye my hair pink. Done. I just look like a real Layla. But actually not gonna have a fun day. This one I'm gonna wear to prom.